Vegas cuts up a confused Seattle defense. 3 straight layups to begin the game for the Aces. Tina Charles facing up and buries the jumper. Evades Stewart. Back to Gray. Catch. Fire. No. Rebound. Wilson. Another chance, Vegas. Wilson leaves it short. And a nice stand from Seattle. Bird will fire and hit.
Seattle also likes to run, diving in from the baseline corner.
Lloyd turned the corner, couldn't finish the layup. Williams, another hustle steal. Stewart will fire and hit. 1 for 5 to begin this game. Young gets loose, laid it up short. Talbot the rebound. Lloyd, step back 3 is good.
Nice job by Wilson to navigate behind that screen. That's usually guard territory, but the big got it done.
Here's Bird finding Stewart wide open, connects. Most minutes Sue has played through her first 5 playoff games since 2010. 41 years old in her final season. Trying to make sure tonight is not her final game. Here is Stewart. Finding Bird into the corner, a 3 for Lloyd. It is good! For a 2-1 series lead for Vegas. A trip to the finals on the line. Stewart comes up with a rejection. Gabby Williams walks back to Seattle's bench. If there's any update, we'll get it from Holly. Bird, they need it, they have it. It's 4th quarter. Stewart flashes, elevates, and finishes. 30. Wilson gets it back to Gray. Gray can't flip it in. Opportunity Seattle. Here is Bird. Williams on the attack, lays it in. Tie game.
Not her basketball card?
Well, that's it. Bird looking. Oh, what a find. Williams lays it in on the 6-point game. Under 28 seconds to go. Here comes Bird. Seattle needs something quickly. Bird lays it in with 21.8.